Start by sliding the rod into the little end piece. Make sure that the nut does not draw in off the end of the rod. The reason it's a locking nut is so that it doesn't draw in. If that draws in, then you don't get enough engagement on the other side. Just line that up, and then because the rod will stick out the end by the time you drive it in, I use a piece of plywood at the base, but what I'll do is I stand one on top of the other, so then when I hit it with a hammer it does pop in. And using a hammer just to line them up a little bit. Sometimes it doesn't go the first shot, but that's the first one. And then I just use this one, flip it upside down, use that one as the spacer. Take my other threaded rod, slide it into the end like so, stick that on the end, basically just use that for some support. And now I do the same thing and tap it into place. Now I have the threaded rods sticking out the end of the pipes. Try to flex them a little bit towards the center, about as much as possible. And then take the T-handle and slide it in. Hold my thumb over the end and push in while I rotate. They usually will self-center, find themselves in the end. That's it. Snug down. Make sure again that the rod doesn't pull itself out, because if the rod comes out of the nut on this side, that means you're losing engagement on the other side. Same thing with the other side, and we'll be good to go. That's pretty much it. Same thing, same process on the other side.